Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a topic that will surely awaken your senses: black coffee. In this video, we'll be discussing the incredible advantages of drinking black coffee. So, grab your favorite mug and let's dive right in. Advantage 1: Antioxidant Powerhouse. Black coffee is a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight off harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and inflammation. Studies have shown that coffee is one of the primary sources of antioxidants in the Western diet. So, by sipping on a cup of black coffee, you're not only satisfying your taste buds but also boosting your overall health. Advantage 2: boosts metabolism and energy levels. Need an energy boost to kickstart your day? Look no further than black coffee. The caffeine in black coffee stimulates the central nervous system, giving you an instant energy boost and improving your focus and alertness. Additionally, black coffee has been found to increase metabolic rate, which can aid in weight management. So, a cup of black coffee in the morning can be a natural and effective pick-me-up. Advantage 3: enhances physical performance. If you're an athlete or a fitness enthusiast, black coffee can be your secret weapon. The caffeine in black coffee stimulates the release of adrenaline in the body, which prepares you for physical exertion. It can help improve endurance, enhance muscle contraction, and increase your overall performance during workouts. So, next time you hit the gym or go for a run, consider having a cup of black coffee beforehand. Advantage 4: improves cognitive function. Black coffee not only revs up your energy levels but also enhances your brain power. The caffeine in black coffee blocks an inhibitory neurotransmitter called adenosine, which increases the release of other neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine. This results in improved mood, memory, reaction time, and overall cognitive function. So, the next time you need to focus or concentrate, black coffee can be your mental ally. Advantage number 5: promotes a healthy heart. Contrary to popular belief, black coffee, when consumed in moderation, can actually have cardiovascular benefits. Studies have shown that regular black coffee consumption may lower the risk of heart diseases, stroke, and heart failure. It's important to note that this advantage is primarily associated with black coffee without additives like milk or sugar. So, embrace the simplicity of black coffee for a healthier heart. Conclusion: thank you so much for tuning in to this video on the advantages of black coffee. If you're a black coffee lover, now you have even more reasons to enjoy your favorite brew. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coffee enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.